Which animal can live for years without eating? Surviving without food for years seems impossible, right? But there's an animal that can pull off this incredible feat. Can you guess what it is? Here's a clue: it's a small, nearly indestructible creature that can survive in space. It's the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic creatures can go into a hibernation-like state called cryptobiosis, allowing them to survive extreme conditions, including starvation, for years. Truly a marvel of nature. Amazing, isn't it? If this fact left you stunned, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to Mind Exploding Facts for more incredible discoveries.